GTO stop supposed to be in there like that? Oh no, it's loose.
Yeah, we're still adjusting those.
How come it's got 2 screws, but we only have 1 screw? I guess it doesn't need 2 screws.
That's the ones for the rear are universal for both sides. Yeah, and then it slots itself.
Oh, there's a screw back there.
It's our next level of headache.
Here's one of your screws. We probably need to get that out because it's like jammed between the frame and the...
I gotta go fishing.
Yeah, so see this nut right here?
Oh, hold on. Flopping in. Hold on, let me turn on my light.
That guy? Maybe
Light's on.
this guy?
Where we at?
So that my finger?
Oh, yeah.
And
It's got that.
So we
file
probably should
looking
look at
thing.
where this one is located compared to the other side, but... So bringing this up brings this down. So we want to go down
We
to
can
bring
go down
this
with
up.
this to level that.
And I don't follow that geometry too much, but I mean, I see how that would bring this up, but these two, I mean, maybe it always has some kind of bend in there. Although, you know what may be happening? I wonder if it's going too far forward. The pin's engaging here, and then as it goes further forward, it's jamming this back, which is making
Pushing back and binding. That makes sense.
So I wonder if we should do the top
Front
bow first.
We need to put our latches on it either way, so
Yeah, I guess we could put them on there and
hope for the best.
try to get the front.
Oh, man.
This bow is loose though. Why wouldn't it shove itself back to its... Oh, it is all the way back. Can't be all the way back.
Oh, man. I ain't gonna watch shit move while you do that.
Did you see shit move?
The whole fucking shebang-a-bang. Look at... Like the fabric especially, look.
Yeah.
But this is moving too. This arm,
It is?
it's moving as you fiddle.
That arm that we need to adjust?
The one that we need to adjust, it's going fore and aft. Watch, move it.
Forward?
Yep, it's moving just a
Aft.
hair. And then there's play in here too. This is going
Side to side.
in and out. Here,
Yeah.
it's moving. I mean, it's probably only 50, 60 thousandths, but it's moving.
I gotta get the piece of blue tape off in there.
That was when you were...
Painting? Is that what I was doing?
Well, you were painting in the trunk, and I was in here losing brain cells.
Yeah. I was back there losing major brain cells.
All right, so we got that. Ay, 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 ay.
Yeah. It ain't gonna be easy.
It's never easy. Got it.
I think so.
Oh, shit.
What was that?
It just kind of moved on its own.
It made a creaking noise.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Well, it wouldn't surprise me if this thing is all wonky because so far everything else we've discovered in this car is... What is it doing? You feel it and hear it?
it's moving down on its
Oh,
own.
I guess
It's over
bleeding
center,
off. It's
so
bleeding off some...
So it's...
Just gonna try to get my finger while I'm getting this shit off. That's what it's doing.
Well, yeah, it wants to... We already know this car's trying to kill us.
I can't believe it didn't kill us driving it.
Yeah. Allie posted that video that one time. I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
how'd you guys survive that trip?
Yeah, we were talking to Rich the other day, and I was like, oh yeah, man, half of the front end stuff was finger tight. All right, that looks pretty good.